It's a good sized dent. First one of the day. Okay, so before I start on this dent right here, which is pretty deep, but yet it's in a great spot, you know, we all know the rods out there that you could use, and it's easy enough to just slide down and you're right on it and start pushing. The issue is your wrists. Your wrists take a lot of fatigue and damage over time, always using your wrists. Okay, so next we can try the double bend. Depending on how you bend it, it's easily going to get to this particular spot. So I slide in there real easy, and yeah, a lot of power. The only problem with it is that you're putting a lot of pressure on the top of the glass, even though I have some pretty thick stainless steel here. And it'll work with non-double pane glass, but then what do you do when it's double pane? So you have the hook tool, you have a double bend that you could use, and I'm sure they work fine, but this is what I would use. Okay, so this is my solution. It's the 35 light, and I bend it all the time, and it slips in real easy. Since it's nice and wide, it gives you a nice base up against the stainless, which is a lot of power, and I bent it just right to where I'm on this with a ton of power. And look at just the ease. All I'm doing is just slightly pushing it, and I have all the power I need. Now, also what you could do with a dent dial in this position is once you put power on it, you kind of want to knock down the crown around it. And this is the setup for that. All right, all done with this dent. It was right there. So no sanding or polish needed. It's really just basically pushing it out, following the low spots, and reading the directions of the dent, really. All right, well, thanks for watching. Happy pushing.